All right, so we got this Volkswagen with a check engine light and 60,000 miles. Scan for some code, system to lean, and that's about it, just system lean. We're gonna see how lean it is by looking at live data. Fuel system right now is in open loop. Once it goes into CL, which is closed loop, we can start looking at the fuel trims. The idle is being a little bit crazy right now. It seems like it's misfiring a little bit. So I'm not even revving it, as you can see, and it's going crazy. That's not good. So it's finally in closed loop, as you can see, CL. And we have a huge vacuum leak. You can see 34%. Yeah, 34 is way too much. It must be an obvious leak or something. Sure enough, as soon as I did that, fuel trim is now down to 2%. So sure enough, we're back down to 1%, which is the normal. And you can pretty much do this to find any vacuum leak. Yeah, that's a fix for this Volkswagen. I don't know who left the dipstick off. But like I said, you could do this for any sort of vacuum leak. Just compare short-term fuel trims.